Hello, ninth graders. How are you? Are you good? I hope so, inshallah. Today we'll talk about solving equations. It's not a new title, it's like a revision, but with some new ideas. Now, I'll give you this example. Solve each equation and then check your answer. Let's take this one. 2x plus 4 equals 10. This is a linear equation. It's a linear equation with one variable. So we can find the value of x. This is the meaning of solving equations, to find the value of the variable which is unknown. This is an equation. Right hand side, left hand side equal to each other. Now 2x plus 4 equals 10. How can I find it? Look. This is plus 4, the opposite operation of adding 4, subtracting 4. So you need to subtract 4 from both sides. Now this is minus 4, plus 4 and minus 4 cancelled with each other. Now bring down 2x equals 10 minus 4, which is 6. Now 2x, it means 2 times x. The operation between them is multiplication. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So you need to divide both sides by 2. Divide both by 2. By 2 divided by 2, 1 cancelled. Now bring down x. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now to check your answer, write again the equation, which is 2x plus 4 equals 10. Now substitute 3. 2 times 3 plus 4. Is it 10? 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 equals 10, yes. Now the second example. 4x plus 4 equals 2x minus 10. Look here, we have x and x, same x. X and x, 4 and negative 10, two different numbers. So the rule is to put the numbers together and the variable x together. You can transfer or translate anything by using the opposite operation. Now you can start with I will send 4 to the other side. You can send negative 10 to the other side. It's okay. By its opposite operation, minus 4, put the numbers under the numbers. Now cancelled. Now this is 4x equals 2x, bring down the 2x, negative 10 and negative 4, negative 14. Now I will send this to here. It's opposite, negative 2x, because it's positive, negative 2x. Now cancelled. Now 4x minus 2x, which is 2x, equals negative 14. Be careful about the sign. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 by 2 cancelled. X equals negative 14. Out of 2, negative 7. So the value of x is negative 7. So here I solved this equation. That the value of x is negative 7. To check my answer, here we have... Here you have to substitute x and x. Again, I will write these two equations again. 4x plus 4 equals 2x minus 10. If I substitute x by negative 7, is the right hand side equals the left hand side, these two sides? Now 4 times, instead of x, negative 7 plus 4, is it 2 times minus 7 plus 10, 4 minus 4 times negative 7, negative 28. Negative 28 plus 4, negative 24. Is this side is negative 24 also? Let's see. Negative 2 times negative 7, negative 14. Negative 14 plus minus 10. This is minus negative 14 and negative 10. Yeah, negative 24. Yeah. Another example. Here we have 3, 2 brackets, x plus 1 equals 4. Here we need to expand the 3 first. Don't do anything without expanding. So here you need to expand. Expand means multiply 3 by each number inside, or by each term inside these two brackets. Now 3 times x, 3x. Now 3 times positive 1, positive 3. And this 1 plus 1 equals 4. Now 3 with the 1, which is 4, 3 plus 1, 4, so 3x plus 4 equals 4. Now the opposite, I will send 4 to the other side. Minus 4, minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down 3x, bring down the equal sign. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Divide both sides by 3. By 3. 3 with 3 cancelled. So x equals 0 divided by 3 is 0. Any number, any 0 divided by any number equals 0. So a rule, it's a rule. Here 0 divided by any number always equals 0, because you have nothing. We want to divide nothing on something, so the answer is 0. To check your answer, homework, do it. If you substitute here, okay, I will do it mentally. If you substitute instead of x 0, is it 4? طب هنا 0 plus 1 1 1 times 3 3 3 plus 1 4 4 equals 4. Yes. Now this one here, look here, you have two brackets, so you need to expand 2. Now bring down the first side. 3y minus 3 equals 2 times y, 2y. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. So here I will send this negative 3 to the other side by its opposite operation. Plus 3 cancelled. 3y equals, bring down 2y, negative 2 plus 3, 1. Adding two numbers with different signs. Subtract them, 3 minus 2, which is 1. 3 is bigger than 2, so it is positive. Now send this side to here. Negative 2y, cancel the 3y minus 2y. It's y, because the 3 minus 2 is 1, equals, now cancel, now bring down 1. You can check by substituting y by 1. Let's do it mentally. This is 1. 3 times 1, 1. 3 times 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. طيب هون. This is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 times 0, 0. So 0 equals 0. So it's okay. Done? Okay. Now, be careful about this question. X plus 3 equals x minus 1. Usually, this here minus 3 cancelled. X equals x minus 4. Negative 1, negative 3, negative 4. طيب. I will send this x to the other side. Negative x, negative x. Cancelled. طيب. X minus x, 0 equals, bring down negative 4. Is it okay? This side is 0, this side is negative 4. So here the solution is no solution. No solution. If you have two different sides, here we have two different sides, two different numbers. Is it 0 equals negative 4? No. No way. So this is a new idea. Let's discuss 6. Again, here we have brackets. Now bring down, this is 2x minus 2 equals, now expand 2 times x to x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. I will send this side to here. Plus 2, cancelled. 2x equals, this is 2x, right? Negative 2 plus 2 also cancelled, because negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Here we have 2x equals 2x. Okay, divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. X equals x. If you got something like that, x equals x, it means we have infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Why infinite solutions? Because here I have x equals x. I don't know the value of x. It could be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, negative 100, negative 100. Infinitely many solutions. So if you have two different numbers, exact numbers, two different numbers, no solution. If you have x equals x, y equals y, it means infinite solution. Let's do this one. 2 out of 3 times x plus 1 equals 3. Now I will send this one to here, negative 1, negative 1. Bring down 2 out of 3 x equals 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now look, here there's an idea. Here, the operation between 2/3 and x is multiplication. Here you can think about this question in two ways. The first way is to divide. Here مثلا suppose another question. Suppose you have 2x equals 1. How you can isolate x? By dividing two sides by 2, صح? So x equals half. Here next to x is a fraction. Here you can divide both sides. You can divide both sides by 2/3. Divide both sides by 2/3. Divide this side by 2/3. 2/3 out of 2/3 cancelled. X equals. Remember how we can divide fraction, dividing fractions? This is 2 divided by 2 out of 3. Okay, this side equals 2 divided by 2 out of 3, right? طيب, how we can divide these two numbers? Look, we took a rule before. 2 still 2. Division becomes multiplication. Now switch 2 out of 3, 3 out of 2. Switch the second part, the second fraction becomes 3 out of 2. Again, 2 still 2. Convert from division to multiplication. Now switch upside down the second part. Now here by 1, this is by 1, this is by 1 equals 3. So x equals 3. Okay, thank you for listening and have a good day.